For sure, Rotochopper has the holistic approach of, it's not just we want to sell iron. There's a support of, we want to support this guy's business. We understand that our iron is an integral part of most operations when they choose to buy our red iron. And well, at least that's the way it feels to me. As a buyer and as an operator of a Rotochopper piece of equipment, I don't feel like they just wanted to sell me a piece of equipment and they're on to the next deal. The support's there, the care for how we're doing it is there. My techs can talk to their techs and keep us supported. My operators will get feedback from some of their support techs and become better operators, how they can operate things better. So there's more than just selling a piece of equipment to the operator. It's, let's make this guy a better operator.